Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best carpet rake is probably one of the most underrated tools in your cleaning arsenal, especially if you're a fan of shag rugs. These luxurious, high-pile carpets can quickly become a haven for dust, dirt, and debris, making them look matted and unkempt. But fear not. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of carpet rakes, exploring how they can revive your shag rugs and keep them looking their absolute best. Number 5. AB24 Carpet Rake, 18-inch head, blue. This tool helps you to loosen and lift deeply embedded pet hair. It makes cleaning much easier and more efficient. You'll be amazed at how much hair it removes. The extra-wide head covers large areas quickly. This means less time is needed to finish cleaning a room. It's designed for efficiency. It helps restructure the carpet, restoring its original look. The tool brings back the carpet's resilient effect, making it look fresh. Use this tool with a push-pull method to raise trapped-in dirt. It loosens embedded hair for easy removal before vacuuming. This prepares the carpet for a deeper clean. After vacuuming, use it to lift the carpet pile. It makes vacuum track marks disappear. It also removes any remaining pet hair from the carpet and furniture. What we like. This rake lifts pet hair, making it a great choice for pet owners. Its wide head covers large areas quickly, saving you time. If you have pets and want to keep your shag rugs looking their best, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. The teeth are flexible enough to rake even short naps and Berber. Its design, materials, and finish are all first class. Pre-cleaning, it lifts the carpet's synthetic short pile, allowing the vacuum to get at all the loosened dirt. Between professional cleanings, it rejuvenates the fibers so they don't look anything like their age, 22 years in my case. I think this small maintenance investment and scheduled pro cleaning will add many years to the life of my aged carpeting. Number 4. Carpet Rake for Restoration, Shag Rug Groomer. Is your carpet looking a little flat? This tool is designed to bring it back to life. It can restore the fluffy texture of your carpets. This carpet rake is perfect for various areas. You can use it on carpets in stairs, living rooms, bathrooms, and corridors. It's a versatile solution for your home. The rake's design is carefully considered. The tooth length is perfect for getting into the carpet fibers. This helps to restore the fluffiness of your carpets effectively. It features a comfortable wooden handle and a durable iron comb. This combination ensures it's easy to use and built to last. You'll appreciate the quality. Remember to use it gently to avoid damage. Avoid using too much force when raking your carpet. This will help preserve the quality of your carpets. What we like. This carpet rake is designed to restore the fluffiness of your carpets. It features a durable wooden handle and a design that penetrates carpet gaps effectively. If you are looking to revive the look of your shag rugs, especially in areas like stairs or living rooms, this is an excellent option. What people say. It worked so well I was shocked. I thought the rug was too far gone. The brush head base and tines are a sturdy thickness of metal, definitely not flimsy. It also has a good quality powder coating. It works well on short hair carpet as well as faux fur shags. It gave my matted carpet and rugs a new life. Number 3. Carpet Rake Sheepskin Wool Brush. This brush is designed to bring your carpets back to life. It can easily untangle the fur and restore the softness and texture of your rugs. It will make them look new again. Made with complete synthetic wood and sturdy comb teeth, this brush is built to last. The durable construction ensures that it will withstand regular use and provide long-lasting performance. The soft air cushion and multiple small air stomata are designed to protect the fur and comb teeth. This thoughtful design prevents bending and ensures gentle yet effective cleaning. With a 4.7-inch by 2.5-inch comb and a 6-inch handle, this brush is easy to handle. Its size makes it perfect for both large and small rugs, providing convenient and efficient cleaning. The 0.59-inch comb teeth can reach deep into the fur to untangle it. This helps to restore the softness and fluffiness of your carpets, giving them a fresh and inviting look. This brush is suitable for fluffy area rugs and various wool products. You can use it on shoes, clothes, pillows, cushions, and even DIY macrame wall hangings and needle felting projects. What we like. This rake is made with durable synthetic wood and features a soft air cushion to protect the fur. It's designed to restore the softness and texture of your carpets. If you like to maintain the softness of your rugs and other wool products, you should consider this. What people say. If you have a couch like mine, buy this before you lose your mind like I was. It won't pull out fibers or damage the fabric, and it will bring it back to looking like new. This is amazing for brushing out clumpy fleece. Recommend. I used this brush and it fluffed it back up. It didn't get deep down into the rug, mostly does the top layer, and wool did come off on the brush, but it definitely makes the damaged area look better. Number 2. Redecker Rug Fringe Comb, Eco-Friendly Carpet Rake. This carpet rake is perfect for gently sorting long carpet fringes. Its widely spaced wooden teeth make it ideal for comprehensive cleaning. Keep your beautiful carpets looking new for years. This eco-friendly comb is simple and easy to use, helping you maintain your rugs. The 7 to 7/8 inch wide rake head covers large areas quickly. You'll spend more time enjoying your carpets and less time maintaining them. Made of oiled beechwood, it's elegant and sturdy. It naturally ages gracefully, enhancing your home decor. It measures 28 to 13 inches long. To clean, shake to remove excess debris and wipe with a damp cloth as needed. It is meticulously crafted in Germany. What we like. This carpet rake gently sorts fringes and is made from eco-friendly beechwood. It untangles fibers quickly, making it easy to maintain your carpets. If you are looking for a tool to keep your Persian and Oriental carpets looking new, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Makes the fringe look outstanding. The wooden fringe comb is beautiful and very easy to use. The Oriental rug fringe rake is strongly made of wood and works great. Number 1. Carpet Rake for Pet Hair Removal. Tired of pet hair on your carpets and furniture? This innovative tool is designed to effortlessly remove hair from various surfaces. It's a must-have for any pet owner. Made with durable materials and a comfortable silicone handle, this rake is built to last. It effectively removes pet hair, crumbs, and lint without leaving any sticky residue. This tool easily removes pet hair from sofas, carpets, car seats, and more. Unlike vacuum cleaners, it provides a thorough cleaning. It helps you keep your home clean. The portable design makes it easy to take with you. It's lightweight and small enough to fit in your bag or pocket, so you can remove hair on the go. Cleaning is a breeze. You can hand wash it with soap and water, ensuring it stays clean and hygienic. This makes it easy to maintain. What we like. This pet hair remover efficiently removes hair from various surfaces. It features a durable silicone handle and is easy to clean. If you are looking for a portable and convenient tool to remove pet hair from your home and car, this is the one for you. What people say. Fluff the old shag right up. It's also fantastic for removing long hair form rugs before vacuuming so the hair doesn't get wound up in the vacuum roller. This tool instantly detangled the fibers. It now looks like new. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.